What's up, guys? I'm making another YouTube video. My hair is a mess, and today I have I have a dance competition. But let's not talk about that right now. Today I'm gonna be doing my first slime pet peeves video, and I'm gonna be using this slime. So, yeah, let's just get started. Okay. This is slime pet peeve number 1. When they use one finger slime. When they poke their slime with one finger. Sorry for the lighting. I'm right next to the TV right now. Okay, slime pet peeve number 2. When they are way too gentle with slime.
I was a little bit worried about the weather, but I was trying to stay positive. I'm telling you guys, there's wind.
When the slime is way too activated.
Loud thunder, and the clouds opened up and it started pouring.
Slime pet peeve number 3. When they act like the slime is so thick that it's hurting their fingers.
Murphy's laughing. If it can't happen, it will. And this rainstorm was not a 5-second shower. This was a full-on downpour. It's getting worse.
Okay. Slime pet peeve number 4. When they basically just all they do is poke the slime. So that's all the slime pet peeves I'm gonna do today. Thanks for watching. Peace.